Hello and welcome. In this video, we want to quickly cover how we can request an information update. Okay, information updates on INEC portal simply means if in your previous registration a mistake was made or your name was misspelled, okay, or a letter is missing in your surname or whatever it is that is an error in the details that appear on your PVC, okay, this is where you can actually effect a change to that. In our previous videos, we already covered a couple of other things, how to create an account on INEC portal, which will teach you exactly how to get to the point where I am presently. If you do not know how to get to this point, then I would advise you go over to the previous video, which will be on the channel. Just click on it, how to create an account on INEC portal, and that video should show you exactly how we got to this point. We also covered a couple of other things like how to revalidate or review your information on INEC portal and how to transfer your polling unit. So in this video, let's quickly go ahead and see exactly how we can effect a change on our information. So I click on request update, and here it would ask me to put in my information. If your information is not automatically brought up like this, then you have to put it in. All that is expected are those places where it is required, where you have this red asterisks. Okay, those are the most important things that you need to fill. That is the state of your the state of registration where you registered. If you have moved your location or your polling unit from one state to another, please use the most recent state, not the previous state. Okay, that is how you know whether your state has been changed or not. Once you use your most recent state where you transferred to and your information is brought up, then it means that the transfer was successful. Okay, so put in the information as requested, the local government you chose, your name, your surname first, please, your name, then the year of your birth. Okay, the year of your birth. Even if you don't remember the day of your birth and the month of your birth, as you can see, it's optional. It's not compulsory. And even if you don't remember your voter's identification number, it is still not compulsory. All those are optional. Just head over to these important ones that are marked with red asterisks and click on I'm doing this for myself. Once you do that, you click on search for record, it will automatically bring out your record. Okay, this shows that your record is on the INEC database. Now we want to request for an update on our information. In my case, when I registered as a student, but now I'm no longer a student, so I want to quickly update that. Let's see exactly how I can do that. So I click on continue. It's asking me to declare that this is me, blah, blah, blah. Just click on yes. You don't need to go through all those things. Now, this is where I would effect a change. So anywhere there is an error in my name or an error in my detail, just go ahead and change that, okay? So in my case, I will just go through all the information and see if there's anything. So in this case, this is student, this is what I want to change. I'm no longer a student, so I can just click on other. Okay, click on other, and then that basically settles it. So here I can change my address. This was my previous address. I will just use the recent one for Ramson Street. Okay, Ramson Street of, but I'll just leave it at this because I would not want to vote here. I just prefer to vote here. Okay, so this is my old address. That's where I would prefer to go vote. And I have my information. Just check out everything to be sure that it is you. So residence, where you live. I'll just use country where I live, Nigeria. Residence, state of residence is Lagos, of course. Okay, so for me, I'll just go through all these things and fill in the information. You can do the same for yourself. So give me a few minutes, let me quickly put up the information. So this is the last part of the form. It would request you to put up a supporting document, okay, to show that what you have done is you, okay. Supporting document can be anything: court affidavit, proof of name change, evidence of address, okay, identity document, or other proof. It could be date of birth or birth certificate, as it says. a signed letter of request or other supporting document, anything at all that falls into this category can be used as your supporting document. So what you want to just do is to choose whichever one it is, and then once you have chosen, let's say for instance, I want to choose evidence of address, which can actually be a NEPA bill or something. I'll click on done, and then I'll go over and choose the document. Of course, it should have been saved on my phone, okay? It should have been saved on my phone. So I'll click on choose file. It will then take me to the location on my phone where that document has been saved. I try to locate it, and once I get it, I'll upload it, and then it will come up here. So I can use the same document twice, it doesn't matter. So once that is done, click on save and continue, and it should automatically upload your information, your details per se. Okay, so that is basically what it is. If there are other things after this page, I'm not so sure about that, but this is basically where you effect the change. Any other thing after now is just to guarantee that you are done with the process. Okay, so that is basically how you can update or review your information. When I mean update your information, if there's an error that you want to change on your name as far as INEC information is concerned, this is exactly how we can go about that. I hope this helps you anyway. Thank you.